Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma held the CM Connect program at Thangsaning village under Mawkynrew block, engaging with residents to hear their concerns and suggestions. The initiative aims to strengthen grassroots participation and align government policies with local needs. Community members raised issues such as the need for higher education institutions, better MNREGA implementation, more Anganwadi centers and veterinary center, improved water supply, roads, power and sports facilities. Responding to these, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma announced Rs 13.35 crore for the Jongsha Thandroit Bridge and sanctioned for an artificial turf near the Mawkynrew Indoor Stadium. He also said 1,700 new mini Anganwadi centers would be set up across the state within 2 years, with Rs 60 lakh allocated for repairing existing ones. Conrad Sangma also directed officials to strengthen veterinary services and ensure adequate staff and medicine. The Meghalaya Chief Minister noted that the state spends over Rs 3,500 crore annually on education and plans to restructure grants and rationalize school categories to improve quality. He also spoke on the government's early childhood development mission and urged upon construction workers to register for labour cards. For farmers, he announced the expansion of CM Farm Plus and CM Seed schemes with additional support for farming activities. Thanking the people, the Chief Minister said their feedback would help the government build stronger and more inclusive communities.
We talk less and we listen more. It is a program where we've come to hear your concerns. We started this about a year and a half back, and we have visited almost close to 10 to 12 blocks now. And the response has been very, very positive. For the first time, people feel that administration and governance has come close to them. When we have programs like these, I'm not promising that we can do everything, because we can't. I'll be very frank. We cannot solve all problems. But if we fail to even listen to your problem, then we are failing in our duty as public representatives and as a government to be able to fulfill our commitment to you and to be able to provide better facilities and better infrastructure and overall better development. There are many problems we know which are very, very simple to solve. But because there is communication gap, the problems don't get solved. Sometimes it just requires coordination between multiple departments. Sometimes some problem just requires Chief Minister to give a small instruction. So we are hopeful that through the CM Connect program, we are able to resolve the problems of the people. I would request that officers should feel happy that you are getting an opportunity to be with the people. You're getting an opportunity to serve and to be able to solve their problems. We should take it positively, not negatively. And if this positivity continues in the system, I'll tell you, we'll start enjoying governance. We'll start enjoying what we do. We'll start enjoying serving and helping the people. And if that kind of an attitude and positivity comes in, both from the people's side and from the officials and from the political leadership, I think we are creating a very positive environment for positive governance and positive development in our state.
So, I would like to take the opportunity to, since I've came to office regarding the water, so I've heard whatever you have said. So regarding the payment of electricity bill, the village will manage it
Oh, okay. That's a very good news. If that is the case, then I will manage the construction of the pump.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So the 11 crores that is there, I will ensure that it is sanctioned.
Yes, sir.
But if you take care of the management of the electricity, then I think we have a win-win situation.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Thank you so much. So I will just request Honorable MLA that he will just have one final meeting
Okay, sir.
where MECL, the locality, headmen and PHE and planning. So we will all sit together and we will finalize this on paper.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.